Hi.
I wanted to say, like, I actually wanted to say something
like, hi, welcome to my channel and stuff.
Like, I wanted to do something a little bit more welcoming, but like, it was gonna be really awkward. So, I'll figure it out. So yeah, hi. You know what? This year has been really weird and really bad for many reasons. We don't need to name them. We don't need to make a list. If you're watching this and this is not 2020, just, I guess, Google 2020 or Google coronavirus or Google what happened in 2020. Today, I am going to be doing the look, the outfit, and the makeup look that I didn't do for my graduation party this year because, you know, we didn't have a graduation party. I mean, in my school we did something similar to a graduation party, like there was like a dinner or something, but I didn't go and a lot of people didn't go. I don't know, like it didn't seem like it was gonna be great. You know what, how about I start like doing it and then I tell you as we go. Okay, so the makeup look that I'm gonna do is gonna be really simple because, I mean, not like simple. Here's the thing, I wasn't really sure. I kind of knew what I wanted to do as for the makeup. Like I wanted to do, you know, like brown eyeshadow, brown lips, blah, blah, blah. But I didn't know whether I wanted to do like light brown, something more like natural or something a little bit more, you know, like as if I were going to, I don't know, the disco or something. I think I'm gonna do something somewhere in the middle. Like I don't want to do too much, but I don't want to do too little. So yeah, I'm gonna do something like that. I don't have cream, do I? Hold on.
Two hours later.
This is what I usually do because, like, I don't know, I have no idea how to make concealer seem like natural. Like I want it, like when I'm wearing like concealer and stuff, like I want it to look like it's part of my face. Like I want it to look like I'm not doing concealer at all. Because like I want it to look like I'm not wearing makeup.
I also don't do foundation because I have no idea how to make it not look cakey. I suck at that. So I do concealer and I try to do the least I can. Because otherwise it's a little bit weird.
What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, primer. Primer, by the way. I don't know if I already said it. Anyway, so I'm just gonna wait for that to dry out a little bit. I'm gonna do concealer. I'm actually gonna use foundation as concealer today because like I'm kind of running out of concealer. Okay, so I have like two. I have this one that's like stick foundation, and then I have this one that's like liquid foundation. This one is darker than my skin tone and this one is lighter, so when I mix them they look kind of okay.
Actually, well, the ones that I have, like, the actual concealer that I have is lighter than my skin. Like, when I put it on, like, when I put both on, because I also have stick concealer and liquid concealer, when I put them on, they look paler than my skin, and so when I blend them out in my skin, it makes me look really pale.
And then when I apply these, they make me look tanned. I think I should be tanned. I don't know, I feel like a little bit ashamed that I'm not tanned, because I'm someone that tans pretty easily. But I never leave my house, so like tanning is not something that really happens. Actually, I feel like the last times that
oh my god.
That is actually a mosquito bite. I scratched it too much and so it bled. Not last night, but the night before, I was bitten by a mosquito 10 times. And I think it was one mosquito because I only found one mosquito in my bedroom the day after. These were 2 mosquito bites as well, and I had another one here that I just covered. I don't know if you can see it. And this, this is just a pimple. Oh my god, you can probably see the.
Oh my god, that looks so.
It looks so orange on camera.
It doesn't look that bad in real life. Oh my god, maybe we can fix it with this. I think I'm putting on too much. know if like, okay, I'm not good at contouring my nose, but I feel like,
Can you tell that I'm contouring it? I feel like I'm doing nothing.
I don't know. Now I'm gonna do this thing, skin illuminator. I'm gonna put some on my nose. I think I put on too much. And I'm gonna put a little bit as highlighter. I mean, I'm gonna do highlighter anyway after this is all done. Maybe I put on too much. Some people put it on the Cupid's bow, and I don't know why they do that. I probably put it on wrong. And I feel like I did too much skin illuminator here.
That was a mistake.
Nah, I think I'm fine. If you subscribe to my channel, you're probably gonna hear a lot of that. So we were talking about my graduation, right? I don't know why I changed the subject. Yeah, I wasn't really excited about my graduation party because it didn't seem like it was gonna be that fun. Okay, so I did 7th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade, and 10th grade in one high school, in one school. Middle school / high school because it's from 7th to 10th grade. And then 11th and 12th grade, I did them in another school, and like everybody knew each other. Like me and a bunch of people from my old school like went to this new school. It was a mess. And so like there was obviously in the other school there was people that were there since they were in 7th grade, and like a lot of people knew each other since they were 3.
And then there was me.
And another 17 people that were new. And I was like, well, everybody's gonna be like crying and stuff like,
Oh my god, like we've gone through so much together. I'm gonna miss you guys so much.
and then there's me and another 17 people that are new, and we're like,
Well, nice to meet you guys.
next step is eyes. We're gonna use this color. Like this one here. You know what? I'm not a beauty guru. I'm just gonna do my thing and then you figure out how I'm doing it.
Woohoo, that was probably too much.
Is this color the right one to do this gradient? Same. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the story about why I was deciding whether to do like a very like dark eyeshadow look or like a very light eyeshadow look. I wanted to do something light because I look 12 and everybody knows that, and you know there was going to be teachers in that party. So like if I'm someone that normally looks 12 and then suddenly one day I start looking 30, I don't know, I felt like that was going to be really awkward. Like I don't care what people think, but like so I wasn't excited about it, so I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna do it. But then I had a crush on a guy. There's this guy that was new to my class when I was in 12th grade, and he wasn't in my class when I was in 11th grade, so that's why I wasn't excited about the party in the first place. But then when there was this guy, I was like,
Oh my god.
you know, he might come to the graduation party, so, you know, I wanted to impress him and stuff, because that's what human beings do. But in the end, I don't know when or how I found out, it turned out he was not going. And I was like, well, that's unfortunate. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna do a very dramatic look. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but like in the bottom. And I'm totally gonna blend this out, okay, don't worry. Cause like I didn't want to do my makeup, but then turns out a lot of people were gonna wear makeup and they were gonna wear like cocktail dresses and stuff like that. And I was like, well, I don't want to look like I just rolled out of bed, so I'm probably gonna have to do my makeup or something, whatever. And I don't know, there's just something really awkward about wearing makeup like in front of my parents. Like I don't know, I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's weird. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Time to curl my lashes. Ah! Ah! Well, it didn't hurt that much. Like, I didn't poke it that, like, hard. think it's time now for mascara. When I do my makeup, I like to focus on the eyes. I want the eyes to pop. Because they're my best feature, so.
Now we're gonna do highlighter.
No, we're gonna do lips because I might F up. And so I want to do highlighter the last. Everything is so complicated. Makeup is so complicated. The good thing about light lip colors is that if you mess up... I'm just gonna stop talking. And now highlighter. So yeah, there's that. This is it for the makeup look, and now I'm gonna put on the dress that I was gonna put on. I was gonna put on a dress that wasn't like a cocktail dress. Like I was actually, before quarantine, I was gonna buy like another one because everyone was gonna wear dresses that you wear like at like night events and stuff. I don't know, I'm gonna put it on real quick. And I think that's gonna be it. I mean, for the hair, I wasn't really gonna do anything. Like, well, I was gonna straighten it, but I'm not gonna straighten it today because today it's looking pretty good. I'll be back in a second. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the dress, and I'm wearing some leggings underneath because I didn't shave.
It's just, shaving is too much work, and I wasn't even gonna go out, so I was like, you know what, I don't think people are gonna care if I don't shave.
So, I'm not gonna do like a montage or anything like that with like my makeup and stuff. I don't know. So this is what I would have worn, kinda.
I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. I don't think you learned anything because this makeup look is not anything that you haven't watched, unless this is the first makeup video that you're watching.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope this wasn't boring. Hope this wasn't like TMI about my life. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go. So yeah, I haven't figured out an outro for my videos either, so I guess bye.